Hi there, Lorraine here from Easy Sew SA. In this video I'm going to show you the Freemotion cording or couching foot. Make sure your machine takes the high shaft or low shaft foot before you buy the foot. Drop the feed dog of your sewing machine before you start sewing with this foot. The top thread on your machine is going through the open groove on the side of the foot. Insert the cord downwards through the opening of the foot and then pull it to the back. Hold the cord through the front slot as you sew straight lines and curves. Slide the cord to the left slot when you want to form a sharp corner. Slide it back to the front slot, then turn right to sew your next corner.